Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello to all my subscribers and viewers. So guys, this is my clothes and it doesn't fit for me anymore. And I'm gonna make this two-piece, one tops and one skirt for 8-year-old girl. Because it's already small for me. So I'm gonna make this one. I don't want this one go to waste. So guys, come and see how I do this one. Okay, so I will show you all my materials that I'm gonna use. This blouse is quite long and I'm gonna cut it here to make it two-piece for 8-year-old girl. So I'll be using also a lace and a blue thread and a needle and a scissor. I love this color. I love blue color. So guys, I'm gonna start now. So I'll be cutting it here, guys. I'll just remove this one, all the threads. So it's done, guys. It's separated now. So this is be the skirt and this is the tops. Okay, it looks like this. So I'll be sewing it here because it's quite long. This is an off-shoulder blouse. This is the sleeve, up sleeve. I'll make it smaller for the kid, for the 8-year-old baby girl, or it isn't a baby anymore, 8-year-old girl. So this is already smaller, and it fits for 8-year-old girl already. And now I'll be working it here at the waistline by adding this one, the lace. So done, this one, it's already done, the stops, and I'll be doing this one. So I'll be adding this kind of thing here for the belt. That's done. That's done. So guys, here it is, it's already done. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. So I already done this kid wear for girl, this skirt and the tops. So thank you so much, and please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be notified if I uploaded a video. Bye for now, and God bless all of you. Bye.